When your awning is extending, it should have a smooth, regular motion throughout the entire operation process. If you notice that your awning is wobbling, or if there's any excessive movement in any part of this assembly or the drive head assembly, you may have broken, bent, or damaged parts. The parts that you want to pay attention to are the bolts that connect the arm assemblies together at the outer arm, the inner arm, and the mount arm. On these bolt assemblies, you should have a bolt on one side, a lock washer on the other. In between the arm assemblies, you should have wear collars. These wear collars are little plastic spacers that are on those bolts, and those maintain the space between each of the components for the arm assembly. Another part that could become damaged either by using your awning excessively and when you're not supposed to, like in severe weather, or accidentally extending your awning into a tree, you could bend the shaft that connects the drive head or the idler head assembly to the end cap on the roll tube. You can bend that shaft or bend that end cap out of placement and tilt it and give it an angle, and that will create a wobble while operating your awning.